Hi,
Hi, Farah.
Jaspreet. Hi.
Good to see you.
Glad to see you. Thank you. Thank you for having me.
सबसे पहले तो चांद मुबारक. I think
आपको भी.
I was waiting to wish you, and I was just thinking कि बड़ी अलग तरह की but very very beautiful ईद in a very different way. एक
जी.
तरह से पूरी दुनिया को सेल्फलेस ईद क्या होती है, हमेशा से ही ईद का स्पिरिट ही सेल्फलेस रहा है, बट इन द सेंस कि इस लॉकडाउन में और भी ज्यादा समझ आने लग गया है. तो
बिल्कुल.
आई थिंक अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल ईद फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस.
Absolutely.
But welcome to this live, and for those of you who have just joined, Avon and Avon Foundation, for women ने एक कैंपेन की शुरुआत करी इस लॉकडाउन में जिसका नाम है Isolated Not Alone. And the idea is very very simple. The idea is कि आपके और मेरे लिए शायद ये लॉकडाउन उतना मुश्किल नहीं है जितना एक ऐसे इंसान के लिए होगा जो डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस का शिकार हो चुका है, जो वल्नरेबल है, जो एक ऐसे इंसान के साथ अपना डोमेस्टिक स्पेस शेयर करता है जहां पर वो पूरी तरह से सेफ नहीं है. एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाई वी आर हियर इन दिस लाइव सेशन. द आइडिया इज टू ड्रॉ हम सबका अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स दिस बिग इशू. इनफैक्ट मुझे तो लगता है कि पैंडेमिक और नो पैंडेमिक, डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस एक इतना बड़ा मुद्दा है जिसके बारे में बात थोड़ी कम होती है लेकिन होती रहनी चाहिए. एंड दैट्स व्हाई फराज इज हियर. फराज हैज गिवन अस सम रियली रियली फैबुलस फिल्म्स. सिसक, शीर कोरमा. आई थिंक फराज, आपको डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए एक ही वर्ड आता है मेरे दिमाग में, वो है पाथ ब्रेकर. क्योंकि किसी ना किसी को ना किसी ना किसी को शुरुआत करनी पड़ती है. वन पर्सन हैज टू display the courage to create the cinema that will go on for years. And 20 years down the line जब कोई सोचे कि यार इन मुद्दों पर किसी ने फिल्म क्यों नहीं बनाई, तो वो फराज को याद करेंगे. सो आई थिंक hats off to you for making movies that are so important in today's time, bringing our attention to every human being. And अक्सर मेन स्ट्रीम में ऐसी फिल्में होती नहीं है, इसलिए आप जैसे फिल्म मेकर्स की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है. बट कमिंग टू टुडेज डिस्कशन, डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस, आई थिंक इट्स समथिंग जो हम सबने अपने आसपास होते हुए देखा है, सुना है. All of us know at least one person, minimum. I'm saying minimum one person,
Absolutely. Yeah.
जिसके घर में domestic violence हुआ है. Many of them stay quiet. Many of them have the courage to, go out. And इस isolation में आप भाग नहीं सकते हैं. कई बार आप अपने abuser से भागते हैं. You find that escape in a job. You find that escape in friends. बाहर जाना एक breath of fresh air होता है क्योंकि घर का ही space safe नहीं है. लेकिन इस lockdown में वो भी possible नहीं है. कई बार आप घर पे रहते हैं लेकिन वो इंसान जो वायलेंस करता है वो बाहर चला जाता है नौकरी पर. तो एक इंसान को ब्रीदिंग स्पेस मिलता था जो अब नहीं मिल रहा है. एंड फॉर दैट रीजन आई फील दिस होल कैंपेन ऑफ आइसोलेटेड नॉट अलोन इज एक्सट्रीमली रेलिवेंट. सो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज एग्जैक्टली दिस, कि इस टाइम पर इस कैंपेन का हिस्सा बनने के लिए आपने सोचा. व्हाई डू यू थिंक इज दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन सो इम्पोर्टेंट?
To be honest with you, Jassi, I think this conversation is not just important now. This conversation has been important yesterday. This conversation is important today, and this conversation will be important for the rest of our lives. Because given how we are as a civilization, women have been often ignored. Women have been pushed away, sidelined away. We suffer from misogyny, we suffer from extreme amounts of patriarchy, and something that we have normalized, जो हमने इसे आदत डाल ली है, एक गंदी आदत जिसे हमने अपना लिया है. We've gotten used to it. We have become prone to accepting it, prone to being okay with it. How can violence, how can abuse, how can misogyny, how can patriarchy ever be okay? It can never be okay. और इसीलिए बहुत जरूरी होता है, आई थिंक दैट जब आपको मौका मिले, यू हैव टू रेज योर वॉइस, यू हैव टू स्टैंड अप फॉर इट, एंड यू हैव टू से दैट just because there has been a generation of women who've suffered does not mean the generation now and the generations to come will go through the same thing. Jassi, like you very rightly said, आप क्या लेगेसी छोड़कर जाओगे? आई थिंक हमारा जो वक्त है इस दुनिया में वो बहुत लिमिटेड है. आज हम हैं, कल हम नहीं हैं. पर आप जब चले जाएंगे, आप क्या छोड़कर जाओगे पीछे? व्हाट इज दैट लेगेसी that you're going to leave behind for generations to come? And that's why I think it's essential to have these conversations, to talk about the elephant inside the room, and to address it so that people find the courage. I mean, uh, to be honest with you, when I was growing up in the 90s, being a queer person, I knew that I was gay when I was 4 years old. I was absolutely sure about my sexuality, but I didn't have any role models to look up to. I never had someone to hold my hand and be like, it's okay, you're fine, you're not alone. I didn't have anyone. But now, when I see the new generations that are coming across, I see that people have role models to look up to. We have paved a way. और वो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. I think that's very important and essential for us to get together, saying that we are not alone. We might be isolated, but we are not alone.
Absolutely. So Faraz, बहुत सारे set of questions हमको पहले भी आए when we posted about this chat, and of course the idea is to raise awareness. The idea is कि मेरे बगल वाले flat में अगर somebody is going through domestic violence, they should not feel they are alone. The idea is to come together. Instagram is just a medium that way. So बहुत सारी movies हैं जो bitter truth of society दिखाती हैं, whether it is gender inequality or many other issues जिन पर movies बननी चाहिए. How important do you think it is ऐसी फिल्में बनाना, और कितना इन फिल्मों का impact रहता है audience पर? Just an instant example that comes to my mind, especially with respect to domestic violence, is a movie like Thappad.
Sure, absolutely. I think cinema as a tool is very important, and I feel that we don't use it rightly in India. हम उससे बहुत डरते हैं, हम बहुत घबराते हैं, because we are often worried about the commercial aspects of it. We don't really think about the longevity of it, the impact that it is going to have on the society. Given who I am, I always think about what impact is it going to have in the society, and then find a way to make it accessible and universal. So I feel जो cinema कर पाता है, to be very honest with you, Jassi, I think वो दुनिया में बहुत कम चीजें हैं जो कर पाती है. I think cinema reaches across to billions of people in homes, in theaters, across radio, across television. It has the power to transform. I mean, just look at us. It changes the way we talk. It changes the way we dress. It changes the way we eat. हम क्या गाना गाते हैं, हम कैसे प्यार करते हैं, हम कैसे नफरत करते हैं, सिनेमा से ये हमने सीखा है. तो जब हमने सिनेमा से इतना कुछ सीखा है, हमने सिनेमा से काइंडनेस क्यों नहीं सीखी है? हमने सिनेमा से ये क्यों नहीं सीखा है कि डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग, and domestic violence needs to be called out for, and when women who don't have the power and who don't have the courage to do it on their own, you have to become a medium for them. I think we need more stories like this. I think it's
Absolutely.
about time. And it's not just that the producers don't want to make it. Writers don't want to write such films. Directors don't want to make it. I think everyone wants the easy way out. We all want running around trees. We all want people wearing fancy clothes, living in the big apartment. But हमारी जिंदगी उससे बहुत दूर है. Our realities are very different from those things. And in fact, I actually am writing a film about domestic violence. I have just started writing it, but I'm trying to make it so modern and so accessible that you can watch it with your mother, you can watch it with your grandmother, you can watch it with your father, your best friend, your brother, and everyone without feeling offended. But when you leave the theater, you're going to ask yourself, have I been a silent spectator of something that I should have had the courage to stand up and fight for? I think it's important to come together and say ki, this is not your problem, or this is not my neighbor's problem. It is our problem. Domestic violence is a collective failure of all of us. We've all failed as a society, as a civilization. ये हमारी सबकी हार है. It's all our losses.
Absolutely, I totally agree with you, and that's why it's not just about a few of us chatting. I think the goal is कि वो वक्त आए जब हर इंसान इसके बारे में सोचे. This has to be a mainstream मुद्दा of society. That violence cannot be tolerated. Also, like we talk so much about conscious cinema these days. Cinema that moves people. Cinema जो message देता है, और ऐसी बहुत सी फिल्में अब आती भी हैं. At the same time, do you think, like, is it okay to blame cinema for also normalizing this violence that we see today around us? क्योंकि वो भी हमने बहुत फिल्मों में बड़े होते हुए, लाइक यू सेड ऑफ द 90s, वो भी हमने देखा है.
To be very honest with you, I will give you एक example दूंगा मैं आपको जो is very close to home to drive a very different point. It's totally different from a different universe, but it'll drive home this point. When I was in school, I went to school in the 90s, and there was this film called Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya, which had come out, which had an effeminate character in it. And every time the effeminate character used to walk inside a room or walk around, there was this typical music that was played to
Yeah.
mock the effeminate character. That had become my reason of breakdown in school when people were bullying me for being different. And they used to sing that tune all the time, every time I walked inside the classroom, every time I walked inside the corridor, wherever. So people look up to cinema. People
Yeah.
are watching very closely everything that you're doing. So when you're trying to normalize violence, be it physical, be it mental, I think mental violence, mental abuse is also very important to talk about. You know, I think India में हम mental abuse के बारे में बात करने से बहुत झिझकते हैं. You know, we're very worried about it, saying that, oh, अच्छा तो तुम पागल हो. नहीं, that's not how it is. You know, I think it's important to normalize these conversations. You know, जिस तरीके से हम तो बात करते हैं कि आजकल हम पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में बहुत बात करने लगे. यू नो, वी ऑल स्टार्टेड बीइंग वेरी पॉलिटिकली अवेयर ऑफ थिंग्स हैपनिंग अराउंड अस. उसी तरीके से आई थिंक वी नीड टू बिकम मोर अवेयर ऑफ टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हेन advertisement about sanitary pads comes, talk about it. When an advertisement of the condom comes, talk about it. Open conversations. Don't be afraid of saying that, oh, my child will learn something wrong from it. No, your child will anyway learn what they have to learn. Your job as a parent is to normalize it. Normalize these conversations. That is important. So I feel we are often looking at cinema to just to tell you, Jussie, something that in the 90s, the way rape was shown constantly, the way it was shown as a tool to put a woman in their place, you know, or to take revenge against a woman, I feel that has caused so much damage. Just the way it has caused damage to the entire queer community, the entire transgender community, you know, we've all been damaged by these stereotypes or these normalizing of things that we have tried to put forward, which is, I mean, इतना डैमेज हो गया है कि बहुत साल लगेंगे इस डैमेज को अंडू करने में. पर अंडू करना जरूरी है, and I think conversations like this are a great start to a bigger movement, you know.
I totally agree. I think even though, you know, sometimes it feels it's just a handful of us, you know. For example, अभी लॉकडाउन में कितने ही लोग होंगे जो किसी के वायलेंस के बारे में सोच रहे होंगे. Most of us would confine ourselves to our own universe, you know, that ways. But at the same time, I totally agree with you कि जितने भी हैं, उतने लोग ही अगर बात करेंगे तो maybe 10 years down the line, 20 years down the line, we don't know when, but the, you know, overall situation will change. We've also seen increasing number of cases in the queer community. Yeah.
Yes.
And the domestic violence awareness, I agree to this, but I want to ask you, do you think it is only focused to heterosexual relationships when we talk about creating domestic violence awareness? And at the same time, do you think there's support and measure to help survivors in the queer community? Do they have resources? Do they have NGOs? You know, if they are facing domestic abuse, वो कहाँ किसके पास जा सकते हैं मदद के लिए?
Jussie, to be honest with you, like 377 got scrapped off like 2 years back. We're still fighting a society that thinks that the queer people are unnatural, queer people are invalid, queer people are wrong. ये गलत है, ये कुदरत के खिलाफ है, and all these conversations. You know, these are the things I get on a daily basis. I get so much of hate on Instagram, on Twitter saying, you are queer, you shouldn't be alive, and all of that. So when it comes to violence within the queer community, there are zero sort of NGOs that are really looking after it, because फिलहाल जो है कि how do you provide immediate protection to people who are being thrown out of their homes? You know, there's a lot of homelessness cases that are happening for the queer community, where जब आप अपनी family को अपने बारे में बताते हो, they throw you out of the house. You know, they don't want you in their house. They disown you. So I think the immediate requirements इतनी बढ़ जाती है कि हम कभी कभी जो फ्यूचर के स्टेप्स हैं उनके बारे में सोचना भूल जाते हैं. वी गेट सो कंज्यूम्ड बाय what is happening at hand right now. And I
Yeah.
feel that it's important, it's imperative, because being a queer person myself, I have seen violence up close and personal when 377 was alive. And this I must share with you. I haven't really talked about it ever, but I faced physical violence by a man who I met, and at that point of time, 377 was alive. So if I had to go to a cop and lodge a complaint saying that I got physically abused and sexually abused by a man, I would have been behind the bars under 377. That's how it used to work, you know. So I think we are far away from any sort of equality. I think we need to work on laws, and we are working actively on laws. Along with me, many other people from the queer community are working. It's going to take time, but ये जरूरी है that we should never forget that it's a long way to equality and it's a long way to freedom. और ये भी याद रखना बहुत जरूरी है that none of us are free and safe unless all of us are free and safe. That's very important to understand.
I agree. In fact, I can only imagine like what you went through, like you just shared, the kind of impact it would have had on your mental well-being, on your self-esteem. I mean, like you're saying, अभी तो हम बेसिक एक्सेप्टेंस ही नहीं पा पाए हैं, तो ये चीजें तो करने में बहुत वक्त लगेगा. At the same time, a message, for people who are viewing right now about this campaign, Isolated Not Alone. I feel at the end of the day, it all boils down to whether I have that one person who's ready to help me or ready to tell me it's okay, you can do it. Or I think when you lose your own self-esteem, this support group becomes like your pillar of strength. So what do you have to say about this, campaign, not being alone and being there for each other?
I think what is important also is sometimes we live in very cloistered realities, जहाँ पर हमारे पास कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि दोस्त भी नहीं बचते हैं, we don't even have friends to lean on to. And I think the biggest friend that you will have is yourself. If you have to protect yourself, you have to protect yourself. If you don't have a friend, become your best friend. If you don't have anyone who supports you, you support yourself. Become your biggest support system. Take it from a queer person who has lived a life being friendless for years, when I didn't have anyone to speak to, कि मतलब आप किसी से बैठकर 2 मिनट बात कर पाओ कि क्या हो रहा है, कोई रहता नहीं है, तो आप अपने खुद के इतने अच्छे दोस्त बन जाते हो that you start protecting yourself. And I think it is important and imperative, Jassi, for all of us to become self-dependent when it comes to the rights that we have to fight for ourselves. Of course, it's great to have friends, it's great to have relatives, it's great to have support, and that support we can build on with time and with effort and with courage. पर अगर कोई नहीं है आपका, तो आपके लिए आप हो और वो काफी है. So have the courage to step out. It will take 30 seconds of courage, and once you have that 30 seconds of courage to take that first step, बाकी 100 steps will just happen for you. But take that time to develop that courage, saying that you are not alone.
Absolutely. So a lot of messages also coming for Sisak, and a lot of appreciation coming in. So maybe we can take a message. One of the message I read said, should films have statutory warnings, every time there is a violent scene against women? I think that should happen.
110%. Jassi, when you watch international series or international films, even if they have strobes, what strobes are like, if they have a disco scene, they have a warning before the film that the film is going to have strobes. So in case you have anxiety problem, in case you have palpitation, please, this is your warning now. Every time we write a post on a social media, we always put this thing called a TW, which is a trigger warning, because if you're talking about something that's going to affect people, आप उसके बारे में बताते हो, आप बात करते हो, बहुत जरूरी है to inform people about it. And I feel likewise, because films are consumed in such a massive way, बहुत जरूरी होता है, जैसे आप सेंसर सर्टिफिकेट डालते हो, जैसे आप डालते हो no animals were harmed in the making of this film, all that jazz.
Smoking is
injurious.
injurious.
Warnings. Absolutely.
There's a smoking warning always.
Absolutely. Drinking warning, smoking warning. Why are we not talking about violence? Why are we not talking about abuse, And I think being a storytellers, being अगर आप कहानियां लिखते हो, अगर आप कोई भी फील्ड में हो जहाँ पर आप media के close हो गए, you use the media as a tool to bring in a change. Be very careful about what you're trying to put out, because remember, not only it is a responsibility, but it is also something that is going to be mass consumed. People are going to watch it, and it's going to subconsciously work at many levels, you know, things that you haven't even thought of. Like when I made Sisak, I never imagined that people will actually come out to their families after watching this film. I had no idea, Jesse, honestly. But people came out to their families after watching a 16-minute film. So that's the power that cinema has. I have realized that now, and I think it's important to use it wisely as a tool.
Absolutely. एक और question था that whenever we talk about violence against women or violence against a particular community, say for example queer community, so when we talk about violence against women, there will be a group of people who will say not all men, and I'm not saying they're not correct, but sometimes वो बिल्कुल discussion को इधर से उधर एकदम dilute कर देता है, so this whole not all men thing actually takes away a lot of time, moves away from the prime point that yes, not all men, but yes, many women, so what do you have to say about that?
I personally feel this not all men conversation is whataboutery. It's just whataboutery. It's a waste of time. It's a waste of energy. It is something that is not required. If you cannot contribute constructively to something that is leading to a change, shut up and walk out of the room. It's as simple as that. Sometimes you have to be like, agar aap contribute nahi kar rahe ho, if you don't have anything good to say, don't say anything bad. Walk out of the room. Leave. Because I think जैसी एक चीज बहुत जरूरी है हमारी जिंदगी में, when a person who's oppressed is speaking about their oppression, listen to them. Don't try to pull them down. बहुत हिम्मत लगती है अपने ऑपरेशन के बारे में बात करने के लिए. आप उन्हें सुनिए, उन्हें एक प्लेटफॉर्म दीजिए ताकि उनकी their voices can be heard. It takes a lot of courage. So I think we need to be more kind towards each other. There is no other way out of this. If you're not going to be kind to each other, if you're not going to listen to one another, we're doomed. It's like that quote by James Baldwin, who I absolutely love, and he says the minute we stop holding each other's hand, the minute we stop treating each other right, the entire world is going to swallow us, and the light is going to go out. And that is the truth of the matter, जैसे यही बात है कि अगर हम ये इतनी छोटी बात समझ जाए ना कि एक इंसान को इंसानियत दे, एक इंसान को प्यार दे, और एक इंसान को हिम्मत दे, the world will be a better place. I think that's all it takes.
Absolutely, I totally agree with you, Faraz. In fact, अगर हम थोड़ा सा kind हो जाए to each other, so maybe we can actually create that support system. Thank you so much, everyone, for being part of this important, very very important rather discussion. I'm Jassi. आज फराज आरिफ अंसारी से बात हो रही थी about the campaign Isolated Not Alone. We will come up with more conversations in days to come. Make sure that you speak up.